Hello and welcome to Obsessed with Trains. As you can see right here, this is a photo of a Waratah A-Set A77, I think, at Meadowbank. I took this photo normally, I didn't edit it at all, but it got imported like this. Anyway, welcome back to another video. This video will cover two separate days, which will be Tuesday the 19th of April and Wednesday the 20th of April. On the 19th, I went to Wynyard, Hurstville, and Meadowbank Bridge, and I went to Wynyard and Hurstville to film a little remix video of a song of Sydney Train's announcement remixes made by this guy called Milky Guy. I'll put his channel in an annotation at the top right. And I did the same thing with his first song 2 years ago. And I sincerely apologize for taking this long to make another one, but yeah, I hope this one's pretty. It's all right. I hope this one's good, and yeah, it really shouldn't take me 2 years to make something. But anyway, and I went to Meadowbank Bridge on the 19th to see what it was like. It was a bit too cloudy, so it kind of ruined the sunset. So I went back the next day, which is the 20th. And got some much better pictures and videos. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video as we play the remix first and then the real video. Enjoy.
The next train to arrive on platform 6 goes to Hurstville. Hurstville. First stop, Wynyard, then Circular Quay, St. James Museum, Central. This station is Hurstville.
Now, even though all that stuff was good, like, there was a lot of clouds covering it, and it wasn't the best, so let's try this again another day, the next day, 20th April, attempt 2. And that's all I have for you in video form. I've got a lot more photos that will be posted on my Flickr page, link in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Oh wait, I forgot. Let me just...